Alright guys, so here we are in the 91 Mazda Miata. All my windshield washer fluid hoses are pretty frail, brittle. The problem right here, problem child, I don't know if you can see that or not, it's pretty blown out. It's no good. So, gotta replace that. If it'll focus, but it won't. So, gotta replace this hose. I went to Advanced Auto. They did not have a replacement for this. I went to the local hardware store, picked up some clear tubing. Looks to be about the same diameter. I'm gonna slap this on and see if I have any luck. So let's get into it. I saw a kit for this online, but it was like 60 bucks or something crazy like that. I spent 66 cents on this. I think I'd rather spend 66 cents than 60 bucks. Hopefully she fits. Sorry for blocking the view here. Trying not to break anything else while I'm down here. Clip broke. Hopefully I can put this in here without this clip breaking. Wonderful. Got a little bit of extra hose. A little bit too much. Come on, baby. Alright. Let's see if that does the trick. Try not to spill any. Oh, spoke too soon. Alright, everything's hooked up. Got the windshield wiper fluid topped off. Let's see if it works. Works like a charm. No more leaks. I got some pressure in the line now. Wonderful. That's what I'm talking about. Quick little maintenance job today. Nothing crazy. Just wanted to get the windshield wiper fluid working again. Simple fix. Windshield washer fluid is back in action. So that's it guys. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Drop some comments down below. Help support the channel. Until next time, peace out.